Hello everyone. Today's topic is exercise on SQL and JDBC. What is JDBC? JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. In Java APIs, database independent connectivities between the Java programming language and wide range of the database. So first, JDBC libraries. In JDBC libraries include APIs to mentioned below, making connection to database, creating SQL statements, and execute the SQL queries in database, viewing and modifying the result records. So JDBC is mainly used for the connection of the database. Next, application of JDBC. JDBC is a specification that provides a complete set of interfaces and allows the portable access to underlying database. Java can be used to different types of executables such as Java application, Java applets, Java servlet, Java server pages, and enterprise Java beans. So JDBC is provided the complete set of interface and allows the portable access for database. So here the types of executables we see: application, applets, servlet, server pages, and Java beans. So all these different executable are JDBC driver to access a database and take advantage of the stored data. Next, why to learn JDBC? JDBC stands Java Database Connectivity, and it is a standard Java API database connectivity between the Java programming language and wide range of database. So here JDBC library, in JDBC library included some tasks that uses for database. There are making connection to database, create SQL statements, execute the SQL queries in database, and viewing and modifying the result records in the database. So first JDBC 4.0 packages are installed for the java.sql and javax.sql is the primary packages, and this is the latest JDBC version to writing this tutorial. Offers the main classes for interacting with your data sources. So first we install the JDK, and next we install Eclipse integrated development environment set, and next download MySQL database means workbench. So first we install the JDK download. So go on Google, here type the JDK kit download. So here first Oracle is official website. Click on it. Here we go in Windows. We see here zip file, exe file, and MSI file. We select and download the exe file. So here downloading our JDK for Windows exe file. So here downloaded the JDK exe file. Open it. Double click on this exe file. We some steps for JDK downloads. So preparing to install the JDK. It's take sometimes. So here our JDK setup starts. Here click on next. So our JDK setup path is C drive program file Java JDK. Next, so here so JDK setup successfully installed here. So close it. After JDK download, we download the Eclipse integrated development environment. So After downloading JDK, we download the Eclipse. Go on Google Chrome. So type here Eclipse download. So here we go on official website for Eclipse IDE. So here we click on Eclipse IDE latest release. See here and click on this download button. So here we install our desktop IDE package download. Click on download. So here two types of download, x86 64 bits and ARCH. So our we select the download x86 for 64 bits. So downloaded our Eclipse. Download our Eclipse exe file. Open it. Double click on exe file. So here Eclipse installer, we click on some options. So here Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web. Click on it and install it. So after it's installing completed, so our Eclipse IDE is downloaded successfully on your computer. After Eclipse installing, we download and install MySQL Workbench. So go on Google. Here we click on, so after Eclipse installation we see the install of MySQL. So go on Google Chrome. Here type the MySQL. So go on its official website. So here click on downloads. Here we see MySQL community GPL download. So click on it and here select the MySQL workbench for the database. So here uh, operating system Microsoft Windows. So here click on that download. So here our workbench community MSI file is installed. So open it and double click on this. So setup steps are here. Next click on next. So here we select a custom. Next here next and install. So our complete the installation. Our MySQL workbench is installed in our computer. So after that installation, we download the MySQL jar file from Google. So click on Google Chrome and here type the MySQL connector. So here we MySQL connector.jar file for the Java. So click on it. Here select the operating system. We Our operating system is a Windows. So select the platform independent and download the zip file. So here our zip file is installed. So open it. So its zip file are extract all. Extract here MySQL connector zip file. So we extract our MySQL connector zip file. After that uh, here path of the MySQL connector dot jar file. So open the Eclipse and uh, MySQL connector are build our Eclipse path. So practically see here, open our Eclipse application. So here open our Eclipse. So first off, open our Eclipse and build a MySQL connector.jar file. After that, we add external jars in module path and select our JDBC driver in jar file. So MySQL connector Java. So this is see our practically open Eclipse. So here we create a new project. Click on File, New Java project. So here name of the our project MySQL. So click on Finish. So here our project are created. In this file we connect our jar file. So right click on src. Here we click on build path. After build path we click configure build path, then open the windows. Here go on libraries. Here the two paths are available, module path and class path. So we click on module path, click on add external jars. So our MySQL jar file are here. Add, open the jar file. Here our jar file is opened and click on apply and close. So here in project we connector dot jar file are referenced library added. Thank you.